Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I'm here with day 19 of the Crafty Advent Calendar. Let's take a look right here, the bottom left. On the 19th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Here we go. Oh, it's another stamp set. Love. So before we had that birthday one, now we have the thank you. It has thank you for the lovely gift. Oh, this is nice. So you can make little thank you tag, little thank you card. You made my day, and for all you do. This is a great thank you set. Love. Let's look at my example. This is my December 19th example. This is an A2 card, and with this card, I'm using past Advent days to help put together the card. So here is the stamp set, and I stamped directly on the card base. This is Spellbinders Partly Cloudy cardstock, and funny enough, I used all three sentiments right here. They actually work together. Thank you for the lovely gift. You made my day. Right there. Isn't that nice? So this is a thank you card to help finish the card. This is day 10, which makes these beautiful flowers. You saw it before in a different colorway on day 10. So this is teals. Here it is now in that pink coral colorway. Spellbinders Pink Sand, Dahlia, Wild Berry. For the leaves, Latte cardstock, okay? This is also the Wild Berry, that darker pink. And I did the same thing as before. Larger flowers, smaller flowers, made that collage. For the texture on the card, I'm using December 3rd. This beauty. I love this set because this gives you a full A2 size and you get that detail. And I just did 1, 2, 1, 2 in the same tone on tone, that partly cloudy cardstock. I could have also done a decorative edge if I wish, so that's a nice bonus. You saw it before here on December 3rd. That's with the scallop edge, and then this time I did it like up here, but I doubled it. So this card is a nice journey into previous days of the Advent calendar, working together with that stamp set. You could have also used the birthday stamp from the Advent calendar. I just can't find it. Of course, when I'm looking, that's when I can't find something, right? You could also have this same foundation with the background, the florals, and then that birthday sentiment there. Just any sentiment here turns this into an all occasion card. Birthday, anniversary, change the colorway too. If you want it lighter and brighter, this would be beautiful in white. That was actually my second choice. I was going to do it in white. It would work that way too. Alrighty, crafters. Everything will be detailed and linked below, which is really cardstock. And some gems. This is Spellbinders Silver Mix Gems. Everything else is Advent Calendar goodies. So this time I'm actually playing with previous days, but I'm going to go back to shopping my stash because I'm enjoying using my stash to help me with these cards. So much fun. Also, expect to see a video from me with the Spellbinders Holiday Sale. It's a new sale and it's a very good sale. So I am getting ready to do that video. It's going to be a big one, but boy, is it good. There's even my collection in it. It's in there too. 50% off. Thumbs up. Okay, crafters. Until December 20th, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.